Within the admin product section, you have supplier account details. And within this section, you will see all of the different suppliers that you have added by coming into the select catalog, or you've defined a custom supplier. After you add a catalog, you will want to come into the settings and make sure that the pricing is the way you want it to be. So Alpha Broder in this case is defaulted to piece pricing. I'm on a case price, so I'm going to change it to case. And that's going to change the blank product price that we then apply the supplier product markup to. So if you ever see your products and the pricing seems off, definitely look at that price to use and make sure it is the correct one. Also keep in mind, if you're like a Canadian licensee, you may also see the option to use a conversion rate. So we don't have the Alpha Broder product catalog in here for Canada, at least when I'm making this video, but there is the option to enable a conversion rate so that you can offer those products and have them at a very close price to what you currently pay. Now, for some of the suppliers like Alpha Broder, Sanmar, SNS, they have the ability to have live inventory levels and live ordering. So if I go into Sanmar, Alpha, or really any supplier that I've added and you see this not set up, or in this case for Sanmar, in use, that means it supports live inventory and live ordering. So if I come down here, I can enable use live ordering, and I can put in my account information for this supplier. Each supplier typically requests different information, and sometimes they want you to contact them so they can flip the switch on their end. Now, what's a little bit confusing is you do not have to use live ordering, live purchase ordering that is, but you do need to put this account information to enable the live inventory levels. Once you've initiated the live inventory levels by putting in your account information, you can then come down here to the inventory settings, and then you can choose how you want the out of stock to react. You know, do you want to allow the customer still to add to cart, or do you want to stop them from being able to add to cart and also create a buffer quantity? As in, if that SKU has less than 10, so 10 or less of that product size and color, we view that as out of stock. Just because a product is in stock from a supplier when our customer orders it doesn't mean it will still be in stock when we raise that live purchase order. So applying a buffer here is often a good idea. But remember, this is not really going to happen until you've came into the supplier account details, entered in your account information, and you see that it says in use. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.